সুপ্রিয় শিক্ষার্থীবৃন্দ, আজকে আমরা কিছু গুরুত্বপূর্ণ লিটারেচার নিয়ে কথা বলবো। আজকে আমাদের আলোচনার বিষয় হলো প্রিভিয়াস কোশ্চেন সলভ। সিজার অ্যান্ড ক্লিওপেট্রা ইজ, এটা কি, এটা কার লেখা সেটা আমরা জানবো। এ ট্র্যাজেডি বাই শেক্সপিয়র, এ পোয়েম বাই লর্ড বাইরন, এ প্লে বাই জর্জ বার্নেট শ, এ নভেল বাই এস.টি. কডরিজ। সঠিক অ্যান্সার হবে এ প্লে বাই জর্জ বার্নেট শ। এটা আমাদের সঠিক অ্যান্সার। সিজার অ্যান্ড ক্লিওপেট্রা ইজ এ প্লে বাই জর্জ বার্নেট শ। হু অ্যামং দ্য ফ্লোয়িং ইজ এ ড্রামাটিস্ট? সঠিক উত্তর হবে জর্জ বার্নেট শ। জর্জ বার্নেট শ ইজ এ playwright. Who is the author of drama Joan of Arc? George Bernard Shaw. Man and Superman, George Bernard Shaw এর লেখা। Who is the greatest English dramatist? সঠিক অ্যান্সার হবে জর্জ বার্নেট শ। হু is the modern philosopher was award Nobel Prize for Literature? Bernard Russell. Bertrand Russell was a British philosopher. The author of Road to Freedom is Bertrand Russell. History of the Two World War is written by Winston Churchill, who wrote the short story The Gift of the Maggie. O. Henry, who wrote the short story The Gift of Maggie. এটা হবে ও হেনরি। তারপরে যাব আমরা, ও হেনরি ইজ এ ফেমাস ফর short story. O. Henry is famous for short story. Who was the greatest modern American short story writer? O. Henry. এটা সঠিক অ্যান্সার হবে O. Henry. Who wrote the introduction of Rabindranath Tagore's Songs of Offerings? W.B. Yeats. Famous Irish poet and dramatist is W.B. Yeats. Who translated Gitanjali? Who translated Gitanjali of Rabindranath Tagore in English? সঠিক অ্যান্সার হবে W.B. Yeats. The Sacred Flame is written by William Somerset Maugham. Who is the author of the book of Human Bonds? Somerset Maugham. What kind of literary work is the Lance coined by Somerset Maugham? সেটা হবে short story. What is the work of Winston Churchill? সঠিক অ্যান্সার হবে History of the Second World War. In which year Winston Churchill got a Nobel Prize in Literature? সঠিক অ্যান্সার হবে 1953. Who was the statesman but award Nobel Prize in English Literature? সঠিক অ্যান্সার হবে চার্চিল। What was the real name of the great American story writer O. Henry William Sidney Porter? One of the four mentioned below is not a novelist of Victoria is James Joyce. What was the first novel of Virginia Woolf? The Voyage Out. The Voyage Out. To the Lighthouse. To the Lighthouse বইটি রচনা হলো ভার্জিনিয়া উলফ। The Rainbow is a novel by H. Lawrence. Lady Chatterley's Lover is a novel written by D.H. Lawrence. The most striking feature of D.H. Lawrence's character is that they almost portray himself. D.H. Lawrence, a famous novelist modern age, is not the author of one of the four novels mentioned below. Ulysses. Anyone the following pairs is literary collaborators. Eliot and Pound. T.S. Eliot was born in USA. The literary work The Wasteland is a poem by T.S. Eliot. The literary work The Wasteland কে লিখেছে? Poem by T.S. Eliot. In which poem do you find Hindu allusion of philosophy? The Wasteland. Who wrote The Wasteland? এটা লিখেছে T.S. Eliot. According to most of the critics, who is not a romantic poet? T.S. Eliot. Murder in the Cathedral is written by T.S. Eliot, who is the famous for the theory of objective correlative. T.S. Eliot. Who of the following was a poet? T.S. Eliot. T.S. Eliot is an English poet who is famous for the sensuousness. What do T.S. stand for? Thomas Stream. এটা কি হবে? Thomas Stearns. T.S. Eliot is an English poet who is famous for the sensuousness. What do T.S. stand for? Thomas Stearns. T.S. Eliot is a modern poet. The Wasteland. The Wasteland is a poem. The Russian author who refused Nobel Prize. Boris Pasternak. Boris Pasternak. Dr. Zhivago. Boris Pasternak বইয়ের লেখকের নাম এটা ডক্টর জিভাগো বইয়ের লেখকের নাম হলো Boris Pasternak. The Good Earth has been written by Pearl S. Book. The Good Earth has been written by Pearl S. Book, who is the author of For Whom the Bell Tolls. Ernest Hemingway. American female novelist Pearl S. Book got Nobel Prize in 1938 for the book The Good Earth. Nobel Prize winner American woman novelist is Pearl S. Book. Novel Into the Dash of Death Road the 600. এটা হবে Valley. Into the Valley of Death Road the 600. Melodrama is kind of a play, violent and sensational theme. Sensational theme. Melodrama is kind of play, violent and sensational themes. What is an epic? What is an epic? A long poem. A fantasy is an imaginary story. Readers who have electric taste in literature. সঠিক উত্তর হবে read a wide variety of books. Choose the one which does not fit in stanza. Blank verse is a kind of verse having no rhyming end. তারপরে হচ্ছে drama is a magical perform on stage. A drama is a magical performance on the stage. Which word does not relate to literature? Demagogue. ক্যান্টো বলতে কি বোঝায়? ক্যান্টো বলতে মহাকাব্যের বিভাগ। Ernest Hemingway is a famous American novelist. Ernest Hemingway is the author of The Old Woman and the Sea. Who writes Waiting for Godot? Samuel Beckett. Who wrote The Birthday Party? Harold Pinter. Harold Pinter. Who wrote The Birthday Party? Harold Pinter. Who authored that statement injustice anywhere is a threat to justice everywhere? এটা হবে মার্টিন লুথার কিং. Who authored the statement injustice anywhere is a threat to justice everywhere? Martin Luther King. I have a dash. I have a dream. Who is the author of The Old Woman in the Sea? Ernest Hemingway. Who is the author of the novel The Sun Also Rises? Ernest Hemingway. Nobel Prize winner in the literature